All right, today we're going to talk about math. Also, the meaning of life. And, they relate. Let's do this. All right, so in grade school, I was always pretty good in math. You learn skills like adding, subtracting, dividing, multiplying. Okay, 1 plus 2 will equal 3. 3 times 7 will equal 21. But for the most part, it's just memorizing this. And after a while, you get it in your head so quickly, you don't have to think about it anymore. So then you get a little older, you get a little smarter, but math gets harder. Now they're adding letters. So now you're not searching for what's on the other side of the equal sign. You're not looking for the answer. The answer's already there. What you're looking for is the unknown. Circled for dramatic emphasis. So now you use all the other information that you know, and you try to find what the value of this could be. Ta-da! Now you have all the information. It's complete. Both sides. The question and the answer. So you get a little older, you get a little smarter, but math gets harder. Did you get to this point in high school? And so the first day we get in there, and I'm looking at this going, okay, well, we're not looking for what's on the other side of the equal sign. We're not looking for the answer. We must be solving for these Greek letters. Now they added Greek letters. It was not enough to have English letters. Now they have Greek letters in this. So we're solving for the Greek letters, right? No, those are actually just placeholders. You could literally put any number in there and it'd just work. So we're done. Easiest math ever, right? No, it was very hard. I had to prove it. I had to use all the information, all of the plus, minus, multiplication, division, finding the unknowns, all the graphs to prove this. I'll be honest though, I have completely forgotten how to do this since high school. Okay, here's how it all comes back around, guys. So we're born into this time, into this culture, and we're taught how to speak English, and we learn how to drive on the right side of the road, and we use dollars to pay for goods and services, and $1 is about the equivalent of 1 donut. I will draw you a donut. So you get a little older, you get a little wiser, but now you have some unknowns. But to use the information that you have around it, all that information you memorized over your entire life, and all the information surrounding whatever it is that's unknown, and you figure it out. Or you Google it. So I know what you're thinking. You're like, Laura, this video said it was about the meaning of life. You've not mentioned the meaning of life. You've got all this information. You know how to solve the unknown. Here's the meaning of life. Prove it. I know it's like the hardest one. Got one lifetime. You can do it. I believe in you.